Play. You know what? I'll save it. Save it for later. Dude, this is so cool. Oh my. Wow. Yo, I'm trying to get a garage like this. Damn, Johnny. I want to do audio in the Evo after it's actually running. I've never had a car with a decent sound system, so I kind of want to get that going. But today we're getting something done on the Cayenne that I've been wanting to do for a very long time.
Awesome.
Hey, check it out. Check it out. So I wanted to do like 5% tint all around on this car, and I didn't realize how bad it was to do them on your side windows and stuff like that. So unfortunately, we're not going to do that today. Came all the way out here. It's my friend Johnny who's been working on the channel. He's been on the channel a couple times. He's helped me with my Porsche and did the wiring on my Lexus. This is his business. Him and his friends started this business, and it's super nice. And they do audio, tint, and other kind of stuffs like that. Like, we're gonna come back. I'm gonna have them do my audio on my Evo, but unfortunately, I didn't realize it was that big of a deal to run that limo tint all the way around. And I wanted some tint on my windshield too, but I guess that's not gonna happen. PSI, baby. It's not as hot yet. 12 PSI. That's what's up. Still need a tune. Guys, I'm really mad. I'm back home. That's not why I'm mad. I left my Monster at his shop, and I'm really upset. I'm really upset. Oh God, I'm so upset. I'm so upset. If you don't freaking start today, I'm gonna kick you right where it hurts. I did some research and I talked to MA Performance, and I knew that something on this fuel rail had to have been wrong. There's no reason this car shouldn't be getting fuel and starting. So it might not be flooded, I don't know, but I asked MA Performance, it's like, yo, what in the world do I do? Like, where does this fuel pulse damper go and all this kind of stuff? And he said that the fuel pulse damper is supposed to go right here, which is where I had the little fuel pressure gauge.
Oh, that gauge, yeah.
I thought that for a second, I might have used my old pulse damper, or not pulse damper, my old pressure regulator. I'm very confused. I don't want to undo this because high horsepower Evos have a really hard time with running lean. And I, obviously, for a lot of reasons, don't want this car to run lean. So I'm going to keep that on there, but I don't know what's supposed to go on the end.
A few moments later.
I found it. I'm not sure where this was the whole time, but this is the adapter piece that's supposed to go right there. So I'm gonna replace this O-ring that's on here and the stock little pressure thing, but that
should be it.
I think so. Oh my God. It's actually working. There's a little piece that we actually were able to use this fuel pressure regulator. I guess I just didn't do a very good job of organizing some stuff. I didn't see where it was or where I'd put it or whatever, but there's a little piece that allowed this, so we put the fuel pressure regulator back into this, and then we got the, there's a little clamp that allows us to bolt it in so it's not loose or anything like that. So now fuel is going to go into this, and then air is going to go out of that. We're going to Y these two things into the intake manifold right there. We'll have no fuel in the intake manifold. That should be the final stage of us doing anything on this.
Yay!
Okay, dudes. That should be it. I think we're ready to try again. Give her a start.
All right.
Well, actually, probably should plug in the battery. All right, there you go, boys. Oh, Evo, 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 Evo. Please start. Please start. It's like I don't want to start it at this point. Like to let myself down. Cause it's been giving me like, it's just making me so upset. Like I feel so defeated from this car. So I'm hoping that it does something this time. Hold on, try it again. Nothing. I really don't know. I at this point there's no reason it shouldn't start. What's weird is MA sent me a picture of what an operating one is supposed to look like, and I have it wired the exact same way, except he has something different instead of the stock dealio right there. Either way, that no matter what spews fuel, and that no matter what is a vacuum in the intake manifold, and fuel should never be in the intake manifold.
6.5 hours later.
All right, so I say that I don't read YouTube comments. For the most part, I don't, and I especially see the ones that are actually helpful, and the people that go on like Twitter or something like that and direct message me. And I've looked at some, and most people are saying the reason why the car is not turning over is, and thank you for this, I didn't realize that doing bigger injectors made like the ECU that confused. And basically what's happening is it's just flooding the motor because it's spitting in too much fuel, and the ECU, since it has not been tuned yet, it doesn't know how to turn over. That is great, but annoying news. This is really good news. I'm hopeful that it's just that Evo might be alive. I'm still really confused about the fuel pulse damper though. I'm just gonna give Evo Dynamics my pulse damper wherever I put that. I'm gonna give them the pulse damper and be like, listen, everything's wired up. It shouldn't be spitting fuel. From what I've heard, that should not be spitting fuel, so I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I'm gonna leave this here. If they wanna install that, they can. Okay, what I am gonna do is I'm gonna pull a fuel relay just to clear out the fuel from my motor and get it especially out of the oil. Hopefully it's not in the oil at this point. Fuel. Looks like this is a fuel pump relay, and this is multi-port injection relay. Yeah. Can clear some fuel out of the motor. Well, fans are full send. Let's go ahead and turn this, keep the fuel pump off. Let's turn this one back on. There we go. Let's get that crap out of there. Now that should have helped clear some of that fuel out. Last thing I want to do, even though the oil is going to be changed anyways, but I don't want fuel in the oil. That's never good. Hopefully that worked. I do still need to. I don't have AN wrenches, so I'm just gonna have Evo Dynamics tighten the AN lines because it's so hard to do with regular wrenches. So I know they can do it. It's not a big deal. So that'll fix all the leaks and stuff like that. But man, this has been a mess. But it's taught me a lot about like what kind of different tools I need. Like if I'm gonna do a single turbo on this car, on the Lexus, it's taught me that I need a whole bunch of different set of tools. And it showed me man, it smells like fuel. That's freaking crazy. It's such a strong smell. It's taught me a lot about like what to do, what to button up first, what not to do. It's been really awesome, honestly. It's been extremely frustrating, and I'm obviously like so ready for this car to run, just like I've been saying. I'm ready, but I'm upset. I'm a little upset that I couldn't get this done myself, but honestly, if it's just a tuning issue, then it's not something I could have done myself. So we'll see. Now it's time. Before we go pick up my dad's truck and trailer to get this thing to them tomorrow morning, we've got to button it up some more. Yo, dude. We got a package that says for the drift missile. What could that be? I'm not going to show you for a couple days because I got to pay attention to this, but got a good package. Holy crap, boys. The suspension's on, which means we can put the wheels on. But before I do that, I need to go ahead. This exhaust is it's still laying on the ground. That's going to need to get fabbed so that it can actually connect to the down pipe, which is somewhere right there. Such a little amount, but I got to get that refabbed. So I'm just going to hang that back up so it doesn't drag. I know. That is wild. Holy crap, guys. This is kind of unreal. This is kind of crazy. Let's get this crap out of the back. Oh my god. This thing hasn't been on the ground in a month. Almost a month. And holy crap, boys. Here she is. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This is cool. I love seeing this car on the ground again. God dang, those tires are fat, dude. I'm so excited to see this car run. I'm ready. I'm so unbelievably ready. So I just got the funniest email from Mark, the guy that I work with at Deechworks. And he was like, yo, I just want to let you know that your car is not going to start because these injectors are so big, you're going to need a base map for it to turn over. So it's going to flood the engine and it's not going to work. So don't worry, everything is okay. So boys, the Evo is alive. Holy crap, the Evo is alive, boys. Except it needs a base map. So yeah, that's, it's good, it's fine. Let's get the trailer and load this puppy up for tuning. Back in the big boy. I love this thing. I drove this to go pick up my Lexus from getting wrapped and to drop it off getting wrapped. And man, I'm telling you what, it was literally, it was the greatest thing. Yeah! Yeah, brother! That's my wife. That's my wife. So this is about the best possible place I could think of. It's because everywhere else is gonna block somebody off, and I don't make nobody mad. So we had to get this damn thing push out here, bro. We gotta put the hell out of this one. You can go around there, bro. Thankfully, he's got a winch. I just gotta get it over there somehow. Not sure how this is gonna work. You're gonna have some downhill momentum here. You gotta use those gains because it's gonna be really hard for you to steer. So I'm gonna have to steer the car, no power steering. And I know she can't do that. And because there's downhill, if you just go full sprint and get as fast as you can, I can probably get as close to my trailer as possible and get this on, and then we can winch it up. Surprisingly ridiculously light, but got it lined up. Trailer's low enough. I'm gonna use my winch now. This thing's pretty tight. Pull it out. Walk it all the way. Just make sure it's loose under the car. All right. Good? Make sure it's straight. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. 3,500-pound winch. You got it. Oh my God, it's like struggling so hard. Turn a little to the left. All right, e-brake and in gear.
I had some fearful, regretful, doubtful moments.
Hey,
Through that.
look at this. That means the Evo's done and it's ready to get tuned. How sick is this? Good look for you, Evo. She's officially buckled up. Boys, this is unreal. This is crazy seeing my car on a trailer. That means it's so close to running, man. I want to thank you guys for watching. Whether you watched one of the episodes, or especially those of you who watched all the episodes, you guys are amazing. And my sponsors of the channel as well. Y'all are great. Y'all are amazing. Wow, I mean, This is the first time I've ever done any sort of turbo build in my life. This is the biggest thing I've ever done with cars. My first time to ever. And like I said, I've learned so much and it's been so valuable to me. They're gonna be doing my clutch tomorrow and then maybe buttoning some more stuff up depending on what I missed. If I missed anything, I'm gonna have them figure it out, make sure it runs perfectly. Wow, it looks so good not in the air. Then after that, they're gonna tune it. So tuning is within the next couple days. And that's so sick. Let's find a good place to park this and get it stored away for the morning. And take this back to, I'm gonna leave it outside my dad's because I don't want it in a sketchy place. So leave it there overnight and then early in the morning we're gonna pick it up. And for the first time in a while, like there's obviously a couple things that I need them to do. But man, I'm happy. I'm proud of myself. You know, obviously like I didn't make the car run. I didn't realize I needed a base map until today, so I probably could have gotten a base map, but like I don't know, like I feel like so many people are so scared to do what I just did. And I used to be too because of criticism and this and that, but like I don't know, it was so worth just having the experience. Even if I mess something up and I have to pay them to redo something, like that sucks, but at least I learned, and you know, whatever they have to fix, I want to know what I did wrong. I love this experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed coming along this experience with me. I'm so excited for this car to get tuned and to see it, like to actually drive the damn thing. I'm ready for big power, and I hope you guys are too. And man, I'm kind of ready to feel like a vlog channel again. I've literally just filmed myself working on cars, which has been fun, but I miss just like vlogs. Oh baby. Oh, there we are. In the morning you will go to your new home for a couple days. I'm stoked. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yep.
I'm not gonna lie, this turbo build was expensive as hell, but so worth it. That's a lot of bees, dog. Oh my god, those are all bees. Oh, I'm standing right here too. I probably pissed them off. But in all seriousness, a huge shout out to both Action Clutch and Deechworks, my two main sponsors on this, and then Comp Turbo, big sponsor as well, and MA Performance for making really awesome stuff. Those are my 4 sponsors, but Deechworks and Action Clutch. If it wasn't for them two, it would have been really hard to afford this build, and I just want to say thank you guys. Y'all are amazing. I'm spilling coolant all over his trailer. It's all over the place. It's awesome. I'll see you guys in the morning. I hope you guys like this new picture profile I'm using on the camera. It looks a little bit different. You can actually see the yellow on the Evo for once. But anyways, deuces, boys. Love you all. See you in the morning for some big stuff.